Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we are putting a head-to-head comparison here. We're going to have a look at MusicGPT. We're also having a look at Soundraw. We want to know exactly what they offer to you as a creator and ultimately who creates better music. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are jumping into MusicGPT now. And MusicGPT allows you to use text to music creation. And this, for me, I think is the easiest way to do this. So you can transform your natural language prompts into full original songs instantly. All you need to do is describe your vision and watch it come to life. You can create custom lyrics tailored to any theme or artist style, or you can write your own before generating the music. You can produce instrumental tracks, vocal songs, spoken text clips, and even custom sound effects for literally any project. You can explore and remix thousands of community-generated AI tracks sorted by mood, genre, as well as popularity. The competitive and market advantages. It is an all-in-one platform. So it combines music generation, lyric writing, voice conversation, and audio editing in a single platform, unlike some of its competitors offering just single focused tools. There's no expertise needed, no technical expertise. It is a very intuitive interface which opens professional music creation to non-musicians, small businesses, and creative beginners. All generated music can be freely monetized, which is perfect for YouTube, advertising campaigns, podcasts, games, and even commercial projects. MusicGPT also offers a robust, scalable API with webhook support and global CDN delivery, enabling developers also to build music-powered applications and integrated API composition into existing platforms. This is perfect for SaaS products, mobile apps, and enterprise solutions. The last thing over here is their community and discovery. So the platform actually recommends rising artists and niche genres, fostering music discovery and innovation, and users can explore trending tracks, remix community creations, and also stay in the forefront of AI-generated music culture all in all. We're having a look at Soundraw now. Soundraw is empowering digital content creators with an extremely intuitive AI-driven platform that generates original, royalty-free music tailored to specific creative needs. Unlike traditional music libraries, Soundraw creates unique compositions on demand. This eliminates licensing complexities while delivering production-ready tracks in minutes rather than days or even weeks. So let's have a look at how it actually works. First of all, you begin by selecting from 15 mood categories and then 22 genre options, ranging from lo-fi beats to orchestral arrangements, establishing the foundation or the character of your composition. The next thing is the AI generation. So Soundraw's proprietary algorithms analyze thousands of musical patterns to compose original tracks that align with the selected parameters, ensuring that each creation is unique while still maintaining professional quality standards. The next thing is the customization. So the intuitive interface allows non-musicians or non-technical users to adjust everything from tempo. You can dynamically add or remove instruments, you can modify section lengths, and you can even fine-tune emotional intensity, all with immediate audio feedback, and that is actually awesome. Then your last step, of course, is to export, and here you can finalize your tracks, and it can be exported in multiple formats, and it can be directly integrated with popular video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, and even DaVinci Resolve. The next thing over here, and the last on our list, is the impact and user cases. So over 850,000 YouTube and TikTok creators now use Soundraw for channel-specific soundtracks that enhance brand identity while avoiding content ID claims that often plague traditional music libraries. Also, digital marketing agencies report a 40% cost reduction in commercial production by eliminating traditional music licensing fees and composer hiring, while still maintaining emotionally targeted soundtracks for their campaigns. Also, launched in 2025, this groundbreaking feature allows blending of emotional states, and it creates nuances soundtracks that better mirror the complex emotional journey in modern storytelling. There we go, ladies and gentlemen, a fantastic comparison of two of the best. Having a look at what exactly they offer, it's always a nice takeaway to figure out what works best for you. Use some of the different software and really figure out what works. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.